to get my book, Repentance in Words and Letters, and it is in my site, glazersonbooks.com. Now, about this book is the following. This is a book which provides deep insight into the meaning of sin and punishment, commandments and reward. The significance of repentance emerges beautifully from the letters and words connected with the word of repentance. So like all my books, Letters of Fire and others, all deal with the Hebrew letters, because those are the letters with which the world was created, and this is the letters with which man was created. In fact, it is interesting to point out, according to Kabbalah, books which are to the mysticism, clearly say that the reason that our confession on Rosh Hashanah, is built on the Aleph Bet, like Hashamnu, Bagadnu, Gazalnu, Min Aleph Bet, Gimel Dalet, also Al Chet Shechatanu, because of the sin that we sin. And the reason is because our being is based on letters, and doing a sin which has a great effect on the soul, the spirit, and this causes this connection, or as we say, twisting the letters, letters which represent positive. By sinning, we affect the build-up of words and letters, which is the build-up of the soul, the spirit, and therefore troubles comes. Like perhaps I can give you an interesting example with the book of Formation, which is related to Abraham, says that the greatest and the highest level in man's life is oneg, ayin nun gimal. Oneg is enjoy, enjoy, oneg Shabbat, and the worst situation is nega. Nega is sicknesses, diseases, and troubles, and all kinds of plagues, whatever it is. Basically, the same letter. Only in oneg you have ayin nun gimal, the letter ayin, which represents understanding, also yun, thinking. This letter is in oneg in the beginning, and the nega in the end. And the idea is that if a man lives according to a proper understanding, really understanding which comes from the mind, your mind, not from emotions, feelings,